Here is how you can create a ball connection in Creo Assembly in seconds. So when you assemble the parts, go ahead and choose ball connection. And to do a ball connection, you only need 2 points. To lock all the translational motion, and you press OK, and with drag component, you can see that there is no limitation to this ball. Choose cone axis, and with 2 axes, you can define the cone axis. And limit the rotation by giving the cone opening angle. And check them out. As easy as that.